Hi, I'm Kevin from Power Plus, and thanks for joining me on this chat today. Our topic is to talk about truck mounts and different things you can do with them. So a lot of times people have a truck mount and they think, oh, this is my carpet cleaning machine. And yeah, it is. We wanted to broaden your horizons a little bit to give you some ideas of some other things that you can do with your machine and how to make more money with it. Maybe even solve some problems around your house with it. So truck mounts can be used for more than just carpet. So you probably know that they can do, a lot of them can do tile and grout cleaning, which means they can do VCT or marble, or you can also use them for stripping and waxing floors if you have clean and capture tools that go with them. But you may not have known that you can do duct cleaning with your truck mounts. So we have packages that work with your truck mounts that allow you to do air duct cleaning. We also have things called scum suckers, which is a device that allows you to unplug toilets and drains. So that's a great device that is great to have just for yourself in your own home. I have one at my house. So if I have a drain that plugs up, I fix it myself instead of wait hours for a plumber and spend a bunch of money. And those are cheap too, like maybe $160 or something. And you can unplug drains and toilets and things like that with it. You can also, if you have a truck mount that's capable of doing tile and grout cleaning, so a high pressure truck mount, you can also do hydrojetting. So we sell hydrojetters, and you actually can do it better than a lot of plumbers. You may not have known that, but plumbers are buying hydrojetters for $10,000 to $50,000, and it's cold water and no soap. Well, you actually can put grease gutters in there, and you have heat. So you can have hot soapy water cleaning your drains instead of just cold water like they do. And they have some problems sometimes by pushing grease down a line and causing mainline plugs. You won't have those issues. So those are some different things that you can do that you might not have expected on the high pressure side of using your machine. You can also take PVC and heat it with a blowtorch slowly, bend a tube, and you can have a tool that you can use for walking around and cleaning the rain gutters of a home, so you can suck out all the leaves and debris that build up in those. Just use an inline filter to catch that. So, or you can use the filter bag in your truck mount, but inline filters are easier, of course. You can use them for pressure washing. So there's, graffiti removal, driveway cleaning, auto detailing. You can clean your own equipment with it. You can clean the white scum layers that build up in jacuzzis and pools off. So you use a tile and grout cleaner, acid-based one on those, and then pressure wash those off. Or use a clean and capture tool is even better. That way you leave no residue added to the pool or jacuzzi, or no chemistry. So I want you guys to think about different ways to make money with your machines. You can pressure wash your engines on your cars and vans to keep them nicer, or do it for customers. And these are the types of things that you might not be thinking about that could help you out or help you make more money. So I hope I got your head thinking about creative ways to use your truck mount and make more money. Feel free to give us a call, ask us questions. We sell all the tools to do all these different types of things, as well as all the different chemicals. And we can give you some tips and tricks on how to make those jobs go smooth and get better results. So real important to work closely with whoever you're buying from, and whoever you're buying from should be able to teach you and train you all these things, or don't buy from them. So, because they're not bringing value to the table, right? So we like to do that, and we hope you enjoyed these videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please tell your friends about us, and it helps us help you. And I hope you have a great day. Thanks.